So today we're looking at the Tronsmart Bang Mini Party Speaker. I want to thank Tronsmart for sending this over to review on the channel. Current price is $89.99 on Amazon, but I'll leave a link in the description of the video with current pricing and more information. You never know when this could go on sale. It's got 50-watt stereo sound, Bluetooth 5.3, IPX6 waterproof, NFC connection, takes an SD card, has an auxiliary port. It's got 2 woofers, 2 mid-tweeters, and 3 times passive radiators. Also has a nice beat-driven light show there on each end. You can also pair this with another Bang Mini speaker. Also has a built-in microphone for hands-free calling. As you can see, this is a pretty good-sized speaker. Measures just under 1 foot by just under 7 inches tall. Also has 15-hour playtime with an 8,000 milliamp hour power bank where you can charge your phones on here as well. Inside the box, you've got a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, 3.5 millimeter audio cable as well. And then of course, user manual, warranty card, that kind of stuff. Okay, so definitely has a little weight to it. Looks like you got some nice little rubber feet there at the bottom. Nice build quality on this. The texture feels a lot like something you would get from JBL, like on the Flip 6 speaker. Nice rubberized buttons here. You've got the power, volume up and down, play and pause, your pairing button. You've got a sound pause, EQ button, and then you've got a pairing button if you want to connect this to another Tronsmart speaker. And then you have a light switch there at the end. NFC pairing button is right there on the handle. You've got a super thick silicone cover here on the back. Behind that, you've got a USB port, auxiliary jack, SD card slot, and USB-C charging. Overall, nice and heavy duty speaker here. Nice little design here on the ends. Okay, let's see how hard this is to connect to my phone. Pops right up in my Bluetooth settings, super quick. Okay, so from what I can tell, it looks like there's 2 different settings here for the lights. One is a little bit slower, like pulse. The other one's super fast, and then of course off. Here's a few samples just to give you an idea of what to expect on this speaker. You'll definitely want to use headphones for this part of the video so you can hear more details.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
It appears to be a little bit louder if you turn on the Sound Pulse EQ button. Not as big a difference as I thought it would be though. After testing this out for a while, it actually sounds really good and is pretty loud as well. Now just looking at this speaker, you would think it's got a ton of bass, maybe too much bass, but no, that's not really the case. Depending on what kind of music you're listening to is gonna determine how much bass it has. In some cases, I kind of wish it had more bass, but overall, really nice sound, and it's pretty loud as well. This should work fine whether you're taking this to the beach, camping, pretty much any outdoor activity. This is gonna work for most situations. So if this is the kind of speaker that you're looking for, I think, yeah, you should definitely check this one out. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.